So here's something really important that I'm going to tell you today that will definitely increase the pipeline of your B2B business. Do you know what that is? Increasing or including a B2C pipeline for your B2B business. Now let me explain this a little bit, okay? Now let's say your B2B funnel is full of prospects who wanted to pay you a high ticket pricing. Now what are the ways or what are the angles through which you will get these prospects? Ideally, these people already know your brand exists or know that you exist, and now they're just thinking whether or not to buy from you. Or in other cases, they come as referrals or as let's say recommendations from your previous clients or from people who know you. Now these are ideally the most sought out ways, correct? But what if you can actually create this own pipeline, not in one or two quantities, but in magnificent volumes? Yes, volumes. A B2B business that actually runs on volumes. Because right now, agency model is actually thriving and you actually have a way to build it. So in this video, let me show you how. So if you're new to this channel, hi, I am Saranyan Narayanamurthy, your sales scientist, and I run two companies, the Content Board and Lyan.Digital. One which is a marketing company and the other one which is a B2B sales training company. And on top of this, I also run Tamil Entrepreneur Academy, wherein we teach native regional Tamil entrepreneurs how to grow their business in Tamil language. Yes. So whatever I'm teaching you here in this YouTube channel is everything that we have personally tested for ourselves, for our clients, and the one that have actually produced fantastic results. So now, let me get you started with this. Firstly, building a pipeline or a funnel for your B2B business relies on two things: trust, firstly, and secondly, what is the intent or the initiation to buy the product or service in this case. So, building a B2C funnel for a B2B business would ideally mean something like, let's say I wanted to sell a high ticket product at the end. Now, this product is something that I already know what to do. My offer is clear and my pricing at least starts at 2 to 3 lakhs even from an Indian standpoint, and it goes anywhere up to 15 to 20 lakhs. So let's say that is a pricing model we have. So for client to pay 3 lakh a month without any question on a retainer, and this is ideally what I'm saying for a retainer and not a one-time costing unless it's above a million. So for anything that is a 3 to 4 lakhs a month or 2 to 3 lakhs a month as a retainer, the client needs a substantial amount of trust, past experience, and an assurance that you are going to deliver. Now, this assurance is built in three ways. One, someone actually vouching for you. Two, your track record, testimonials, and a good amount of deliverability with really known brands. And number three, them personally having a confidence and them already going through your nurture funnel. Now, this nurture funnel, or let's say getting strangers to trust you, is what I'm going to help you build using just this YouTube video. So in this video, I'm going to tell you more about how you can accomplish it. So when I mean building a B2C funnel, what I exactly mean is, so let's say we have a sales funnel in picture. A sales funnel has three stages like we usually know: the top of the funnel, middle of the funnel, and the bottom of the funnel. Your bottom of the funnel is your high ticket offering, clean and steady. But your top of the funnel can be a B2C offering wherein you productize or you systemize or you create a standard product that actually draws interest towards your final high ticket offer. I'll tell you how we did it. So like I told you before, we run three companies: the Content Board, Lyan.Digital, and Tamil Entrepreneur Academy. Now earlier, the way how we used to generate leads is, for Content Board, we used to do outbound campaigns. So outbound campaigns where we used to reach out to founders, add them to a CRM, and then do cold emails and then connect with them on WhatsApp, keep nurturing them, the sales teams call them, things like that. And I personally interact with a lot of them. So that is how our sales system has been. When it comes to Lyan.Digital, we do ABM, account-based marketing, because there the ticket size is a bit higher. And also with those prospects, we run nurture campaigns. We used to do webinars, we used to do newsletters and things like that. So while these are proper corporate B2B methods that we have been doing, from 2024, we did something that actually increased our turnover, or I should say multiplied our turnover by more than 3x. What did we do? We added a B2C funnel to this setup. So we introduced Tamil Entrepreneur Academy. When we started, we never had this idea because it was a standalone thing. Or when we did our first webinar, so I'll tell you a bit about how Tamil Entrepreneur Academy works. So in there, we teach our people, we teach our students how to grow their business using Instagram. So that is where we started. So our first webinar was just to say, well, let's say if I'm teaching this in Tamil, how will it go? So that was just a hypothesis that we wanted to test. But right from the first webinar, it was a massive success because people were able to relate, connect, and actually feel more, confident, and the trust was instantly higher because of a native relatability. It's like you and me are from a same region, Never bringing in the religious biases here. So you and me are from the same region, we speak the same language, and we share the same nativity. In India, the soil you come from, the language you speak, and your native state plays a very important role in actually bonding people. And I don't think this is limited just to India for that matter. So when these things are coming in, so we without any intention of manipulation, we just started it this way, and that funnel just got bigger and bigger without even us actually nurturing it. So for the past 1 year, we started this in 2024 March, and for the first 6 months, we were able to reach more than, let's say, 2 lakhs of people who were seeing our ads, looking at our content, following us on social media, a good portion of them. And from there, many of them who actually saw the ads and who interacted with us, and more than 50,000 members actually attended our webinars. And through the webinar, we were able to convert more than 500 people into paid customers, each of whom paid a very minimal ticket size, anywhere between 4,000 to 10,000. So while people are actually buying this product, so we were teaching them how to grow your business on Instagram using firstly live sessions, and then we wanted to productize it, so we made it into a recorded program. Now, we made this course hyper valuable. So when I mean hyper valuable, I mean hyper valuable. So anyone who goes through this program can actually learn Instagram right from basics, understand its algorithm, understand how the content works, understand what your scroll rate is, understand more about how to create a business positioning, a strategic marketing perspective, understand the principle of IDA, Triple H, and all of those frameworks, understand what is Eugene's market level awareness, understand the customer journey map, so on and so forth. And we made it all in very simple language, in very simple systems, and we gave templates for everything. So anyone who went through the program, even if they attended 1 or 2 sessions, they were filled with this incredible feeling of, wow, I got more than what I paid for. That is something that I keep hearing throughout the program from most of the members who actually enroll in it. So when that emotion is created, automatically the next part is, see, I'm already learning from you and you're giving me most value. Now I'm earning a good amount from compared to when I started my journey with you versus now. So now I want to go to my next step. And I wanted to outsource it to you. Are you willing to do this for me? Now, we cannot take all our clients. So here's what we did. We took on a few clients depending on their budget size. So we categorized them. Anyone who can pay within 20,000, within 40,000, within 60,000, people who are able to pay more than a lakh for a month for social media management. And I mean one platform, little one platform. And we vetted our vendors. We choose vendors from different places of the state because since all of these entrepreneurs are fluent in Tamil language than English, we chose someone who's comfortable for them. So we shortlisted a few vendors from across the state and we chose 1 to 2 vendors from each of these domains in each of these price values so that we can have an array of portfolios and case study. So depending on the budget for our community member, we not just recommended a vendor, we white labeled those solutions. So this way, we are still able to give them a guidance or a go through on the strategy, and depending upon the amount of pay that they do, we deliver and we attain, let's say, provide them a certain level of service. So when we did this, we saw that we were able to onboard more clients to an agency without any hurdle of actually doing the delivery for them because that is taken care by our vendors. The only thing that we did here was take responsibility for the outcome, which was again handled by the team, which goes through a lot of process so that the output is fantastic. And since the people also manage with their budget, once the client is happy and then now they wanted to upgrade, we then switch to the next vendor who has delivered better results. So depending on the level of pay, it's either management and marketing, personal branding, so on and so forth. So now for our agency, we have clients from different brackets, from different types of, let's say, income levels and from different brands. All of those delivered by our sub-vendors, whereas we don't act like a marketplace, but we just act as a proper agency. Now this is possible only because we have given that level of service in our first stop of the funnel. Now let me tell you how this actually enhances our final outcomes. So I have done, let's say in the last, we started Lyan.Digital on 2022, which is, it's been 3 years now, 2025, the end of 2025 while I'm recording this video. So in the last 3 months, we have worked with around 12 companies for their B2B sales training. And that's just it. And I'm saying in 3 years. Because our price starts at a certain level. And since I personally deliver these services, there are also a confinement on what is the time that we can allocate. Both of these reasons. But in the last 1 year, I can be very happy to say I've delivered 7 trainings and all of them have received very good responses, and we've also delivered let's say career development programs for very prestigious institutions like Secri. CSR Secri is one of the top 5 institutes in India actually, and not even in India, globally I would say, because Secretari's research is way too defined and they have their own stand. So we have delivered training programs for students from those kind of prestigious institutes, and all of that just because of the footfall that we were able to generate and about where it actually puts us on the map in terms of quality. So what I'm telling you here is, the more you open up your funnel, because so far we have been led to believe that B2B is not a volume game, but rather it's just built on quality. So we just focus on the qualitative parts of it and completely forget the quantitative parts of it. Because we think even if I'm generating an X amount of money, that actually is sufficient. But B2B is not about the revenue that is getting generated, but rather more about your exposure and where exactly you are on the map. That plays a major role. So what I'm telling you here is, you have your own B2B services, but every single solution has a lot of B2C elements to it that you can productize once and sell it in multiple ways, in multiple formats and multiple times. That's scalability, correct? We cannot scale our time. I do not intend to do 20 or 30 sales trainings in a year. But what I really intend to do is approach, let's say, or attract more than 10s and 20 lakhs of customers every single year. And for me to do that, my B2C actually helps. And the more exposure I have, more people are able to understand how I teach or go through this process of, this is exactly my idea that I'm sharing. I think that increases the value of what I also offer as a high ticket product. So if you're watching this video, this is my kind request to you. Create a top of the funnel that is magnetic, authoritative, and delivers much more than what you think is a perceived value. Because if you think X amount is my perceived value for any amount that I'm charging, your delivery should be 2x or at least 3x. For sure. So if you're able to do that, your B2B valuation will never be touched and you will be able to generate a very good amount of clientele without any effort. And this marketing strategy doesn't just pay at the last tire, it starts paying right at the top of the funnel. Because any ad or any traffic that you're actually generating, top of the funnel is ideally just for awareness. People come in and that's just about it. That is how you qualify. But not when you add a B2C element as a top of the funnel. Because when you're doing it this way, people also pay you when you're first acquiring them. So this is, let's say, a simple, what do you say? It's a simple culmination of coaching business model, a digital product business model combined with your B2B business model. And this is something that most of the companies have not achieved so far. And anyone who's already doing it are scaling it this big time. So if you're looking forward to a marketing strategy that is future proof, that actually scales, and the one that delivers multifold, I think this is something that you should definitely look at. So I believe after this video, you are going to change your perspective on how your B2B works by especially including a B2C campaigns or B2C programs to it. So if you have any question, I would love to discuss more about this with you. So you can reach out to me on LinkedIn or on Instagram as Saranya Narayanamurthy. Just Google the name and you'll get it all. So with this, if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, subscribe right now, because if you're here until this far, I really believe you had a massive eye-opening session and you know that this value is something that maybe you have not thought of before. Or even if you did, you have not executed it right. So if you want to execute and actually be accountable, follow the YouTube channel, because every single week you're going to get something like this that will not just make you think in a different way, but actually push you towards execution. So I'll see you in the next video. Signing off for now. Saranya Narayanamurthy. Let's close some sales and subscribe to the YouTube channel so that you don't miss this next time.